it's a funny thing. When I walked in here a few minutes ago, I felt kind of sorry for you.
Why?
Oh, I don't know. Having to work your way through school and missing a lot of good times and, well, not having the best things in life.
The best things in life, I've got them. Everybody has. The moon belongs to everyone. The best things in life are free.
With your tempers getting a top hand, all you have to do is just stop and pat that cheese pipe and bury that hat just like the Choctaws, Chickasaws, Chattahoochee, Chippewa-Zoo. But if you want to be an all-right guy, not a long-faced blues and a night guy, write that apology and dispatch it. When you file it, grand dispatch it. Pass that cheese pipe and bury that hat just like the...
All right, for only 10 cents, 1 cent part of $1, you will actually see this little lady descend these stairs facing one dainty foot before the other. All right, watch her.
Lucky in love. You're lucky, lucky in love. Lucky in love. What else matters if you're lucky in love? Down on